Where are you from?
I am from specifically in Dhaka, Mirpur. I was born.
What class are you in?
I'm in class 2.
Hey, how do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time usually exercising or doing fun activities.
When you get your holidays, what you do actually?
When I go to a holiday, I usually spend time with my cousin, which lives across the country, which is in Uttar Bengal or North Bengal. I usually go there and play with him since he cannot come in Dhaka, since he has a academic education of him and he has a lot of work to do. So usually I play with him.
Okay, I got it. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to become a software engineer. It's my dream.
Why would you like to be a software engineer?
It's because software engineer contains technology and software things that I have a passion of.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housemaker. And by the way, she is a student of this academic platform.
After coming here, this platform, how do you feel?
I feel amazed since it like teaches you how to speak in English since a lot of Bengalis needs English to communicate with others. So I think that's a very good and very fun topic for academic in Bangladesh.
Okay, where's your school name, please?
My school name is Adamji Kandama Public School.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have best friends. They keep me company, they make me happy, we make jokes together, and sometimes we do academic works. Sometimes our homework or classwork. Most of the time we just play each other.
Whenever you feel sad, what you do to recover?
I forget of it and be focused on my studies and my future plan and to be a personal man because men cannot cry. It's a law of dignity. It can lower my dignity, so that's why I need to be a man.
What's your favorite social media?
It has to be either YouTube or Twitter because Twitter contains news and other kinds of content, and YouTube contains different kinds of content. And YouTube and Twitter has good moderation, so it's totally safe for everybody. But there are still stalkers and hackers, which I do not recommend doing in these platforms since it can probably hurt and it probably damage your account or your personal Google account, which we use.
Do you love eating homemade food or outside food? That means
Fast food
restaurant.
or like restaurant food. Well, I actually like both, but I like homemade food better since it's more healthy and I know what's in it. Like I sometimes in restaurants there's sometimes unusual things. Sometimes back at a few years ago in a Twitter post, a girl ordered KFC and she got a rat in his bucket. So that's why it's sometimes unusual what restaurants give you. So that's why I prefer homemade food.
How do you spend a quality time with your mom?
I can't even describe them since it's so like fun. First of all, my mom is pretty good human being and she is basically one of the best persons I've ever seen. So I should do good company and good experience and good feedback to her, right? So that's why I like me and my mother always has great moments and great times in our lives.
Whenever you come to Rahat's English here, do you love Rahat sir?
Yes, obviously, Raj is the co-founder of France English Can, and not because of that, he's also very kind and he's also very helpful to other students, and he always stays and he always keeps his smile always. So I like that.
Thank you. I'm very happy. And your speaking test is over. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Ambassador.
Okay.